Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Recently, when President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was in Enugu State to commission some projects and interact with the people of the Southeast region, one of the highlights of his visit was his promise to ensure the development of the energy-rich Anambra Basin, which has huge reserves of oil and gas. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And we are going to give top 10 reasons why the development of the Anambra Basin will be a game changer in the whole of the Southeast region. Thank you and welcome on board. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the energy-rich Anambra Basin is said to have an estimated 30 billion cubic of gas reserve. 30 billion cubic of gas reserve is estimated to have about 2 billion barrels of oil. Now, the basin covers parts of Anambra, Enugu, Imo, Abia, and the Ebonyi states, and is recognized as having very huge reserves of hydrocarbon. Now, let us look at how the exploration, Tinubu promised to develop it, even if Tinubu did not develop it, as politicians are not trustworthy, especially those politicians in the like Tinubu who are notorious for promising and failing. But if he is to do it, and even if he didn't do it, because this reserve of oil and gas, nobody can remove it from the southeast. It's domiciled there. There's no manipulation by the federal government that will remove it from the ground of the southeast and move it elsewhere. Okay, so that's a given. But anytime we have a government that is sincere about exploration and exploitation and extraction of this oil and gas, is going to have major impact in the southeast. It's going to be a game changer. And that game changing is what we're going to give you just 10 points why it's going to be a game changer. Number one, it will lead to economic growth in the southeast and Nigeria, because exploiting oil and gas reserves in the Anambra Basin will significantly boost the economy of the southeast region and Nigeria as a whole. The production and export of oil and gas will generate revenue for both federal and state governments. Number two, it will lead to job creation. The oil and gas sector in the southeast, if fully exploited, could create direct and indirect job opportunities. Direct jobs will be in oil exploration, exploitation, drilling, refining, and distribution, while indirect jobs could be generated in industries that supply oil and gas sector, as well as hospitality sector and other sectors that are products of multiplier effect of having oil and gas development in the region. Number three, it will lead to infrastructure development. Of course, you and I know that Southeast is perhaps having the worst of the infrastructure decay in Nigeria. So the development of the Anambra Basin will significantly improve infrastructure development, because you know that it will require significant infrastructure to develop the sector, like because of this exploration and exploitation of oil and gas, there will be construction of refineries and petrochemical plants. Okay, this will improve regional infrastructure, because when you are building refineries, petrochemical plants, it will require development of infrastructure that will now be part of the process of the construction of the refineries and the petrochemical plants. Number 4, it will lead to energy security and industrialization. Of course, you know that Southeast naturally is an industrial hub of Nigeria, where you have a lot of people who are into industrialization. So, but with the development of the Anambra Basin, the exploitation of oil and gas in Anambra Basin could provide a boost to energy security in the region and Nigeria as a whole. Number 5, revenue generation and federal contribution. Now, the revenue generated from oil and gas extraction will contribute to Nigeria's overall oil earnings. And of course, while Nigeria is benefiting as a nation, the Southeast will also be benefiting as a region. And the states where, parts of the states where that cover this Anambra Basin, which we have earlier on told you is just about all the 5 states of the Southeast, will also be making a lot of earnings, which we hope that will be properly utilized for the long-suffering people of Southeast region. Number 6, it will lead to the diversification of the economy. Beyond oil and gas extraction, the economic activities that will spring from this sector could help diversify the Southeast economy. So it's really a game changer for Southeast, because Southeast already is an industrious, they are industrious people. So it is a very big opportunity. It will be a very big opportunity for them to diversify their economy from agriculture and other things, and still maintain the agricultural, beyond agriculture, beyond every other thing they are doing. It's an opportunity to diversify the economy, because what it means is actually that with the more money that the Southeast people will earn from oil, they will now have enough resources to diversify to agriculture, to other sectors, other innovative activities and technical development and all that. And that is very good for the region. Number 7, environmental and social consideration. Now, having learned the lessons from what environmental pollution as a result of oil exploration and exploitation had done to the environment of the Niger Delta region, the exploration and exploitation of Anambra Basin undoubtedly would be done without destroying the environment, learning lessons from the mistakes in the Niger Delta, and ensuring sustainable oil extraction, gas extraction that will not be in danger or a danger to the environment, to the health of the people of the region. Number 8, it will improve better relationship between the Southeast and the Niger Delta, dispelling the lie that Southeast people are after the oil in their neighbors' land in Niger Delta. That will put a stop to that, because every time Southeast is extending hands of brotherhood to the Niger Delta, some people are thinking that Southeast is after the Niger Delta oil. But that is not the case. Even without this oil in Anambra Basin, Southeast have been an oil producing region. Don't forget that Abia State and Imo State, they are members of the Niger Delta Development Commission. They were not put there for fancy. They were put there because oil are being extracted and taken out of this country to earn dollars for Nigeria. Okay, but every time there's issue of reaching out to Niger Delta in brotherhood, it's being viewed with suspicion that the Southeast one is after the oil. And you see people from outside, south, and southeast say, be suspicious of the Southeast people, they're after your oil. But with this exploitation and exploration of oil and gas in Southeast, it would now make everybody within the whole region, south, and southeast, to know that nobody's after anybody's oil. That's a very important development that it will generate. Number 9, it will make the whole of the south and southeast the biggest hub for oil and gas in the continent. Number 10, it will limit the migration of professionals of Southeast extraction to other parts of the world in search of greener pasture, and thus encourage the youths to stay within the region and help in its development, and ensuring that the region is not left behind, that its best hands do not leave it because it has no opportunities for them. With the development and the extraction of oil and gas from the Anambra Basin, it will encourage the young professionals in the Southeast to stay behind and help in developing the region for the betterment of the region as a whole and the country in general. These are my top 10 takeaways, top 10 game-changing top 10 events that will come out from the exploitation, and extraction of oil and gas from Anambra Basin. I don't know what to think about this. Whatever is your position on these huge reserves of oil and gas in Anambra Basin, what do you think it could do beyond what I have mentioned? Are there other things you think it will help to do to galvanize development in the Southeast region and Nigeria as a whole? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.